this. If you're new or you're just getting started to learn computer, this video is for you. So today I'm going to teach you how to add charts in your workbook, in your worksheets. For example, if you want to analyze specific data and you want to know maybe the sales you made in specific month and how you have been, why it has been going, you can use charts to analyze that. So for myself, I want to uh analyze my sales for these different products you see here, and uh according to how it we sold or we made sales for each month. So the first thing I need to do is to select the information that I want to analyze against months and product. Then I press Alt F1, and once I select Alt F1, as you can see, we have a chart that has the product names, and at the bottom here, we have the months. So I'll move this chart. I'll move this chart to adjacent side so that you can be able to see it well. So this chart, you can change your chart as you can see here. We have a different type of charts, so you can change according to the kind of chart that you want to have. For example, if I want to change to that one, you can change to this other one according to the information that you want to see. You can change to that one and so on. So for myself, let me just stick to the one that I had prior. As you can see, for surgical spirit, for the month of January is represented with this color, the blue, even though it's not that clear, but you can enlarge it to how you want, or you can view it well. So as you can see, which month is this? Is showing that we made a lot of sales in the month of August. In the month of August, Sigel. Yes, we did some good sales in there. And that is basically how you add charts to your work. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you relate to this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing so that you can be notified when we upload other videos. And bye. See you in the next